Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to work the Fidelity app. First, download the Fidelity Investments app from your device's App Store, available for both iOS and Android. Once installed, securely log in using your existing Fidelity credentials, or if you're new, easily create an account. The app's dashboard provides a clear overview of all your accounts, displaying balances and recent activity at a glance. It's designed for quick access to your financial information, making it simple to stay informed about your investments. Managing your investments through the Fidelity app is straightforward. Head to the Trade section to execute buy or sell orders for various assets like stocks, exchange-traded funds, and mutual funds. You can also create personalized watch lists to keep a close eye on specific securities that interest you, tracking their performance in real time. The app offers robust research tools and market insights, providing you with valuable information to help make informed decisions about your portfolio, all from your mobile device. Keeping tabs on your portfolio's performance is easy with the Fidelity app. You can review your investments using interactive charts that display historical data, helping you understand trends over time. The app also allows you to check your complete transaction history and any pending activities across all your linked accounts, ensuring full transparency. For added convenience, set up custom alerts to receive notifications about significant price changes, breaking news, or specific account activities, keeping you updated without constant manual checks. The Fidelity app also provides essential account services right at your fingertips. You can easily deposit checks remotely using your device's camera with the Fidelity Mobile Check Deposit feature, saving you a trip to the bank. Transferring funds is simple, whether moving money between your Fidelity accounts or sending it to an external bank account. Should you need assistance, direct access to customer support and a comprehensive section of frequently asked questions are available within the app, ensuring help is always just a few taps away.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.